Welcome to my channel, Marketing System Review video. Introducing of Marketing System Review. In the current era of digital advancements, the appeal of achieving financial independence and the flexibility to dictate one's work conditions has reached unprecedented levels. Countless individuals are actively exploring avenues to earn income online, with the marketing system standing out as a prominent option. In this thorough evaluation, we will explore the offerings of the marketing system, including its features, advantages, and its suitability for individuals seeking to commence their online income ventures. What is marketing system? Fundamentally, the marketing system serves as an all-inclusive set of tools designed to simplify the online selling process. It eradicates the necessity for advanced technical expertise or intricate configurations, ensuring accessibility for both novices and experienced business owners. Through its intuitive interface and systematic instructions, the marketing system endeavors to democratize the realm of online commerce, unlocking unexplored avenues for income generation. Marketing system highlights: user-friendly, easy-to-use interface for all skill levels, scalable income, potential for 6 to 7 figures monthly, global reach, tap into worldwide markets online, supportive community, access to expert support, and a dedicated Facebook group. Passive income, effortlessly generate passive income streams, flexibility, work on your terms, breaking free from traditional job constraints. How it operates. The marketing system functions through a straightforward 3-step process. Download. Users download the system, accessing a range of tools and resources. Copy and paste, with no complex setups required. Users seamlessly copy and paste the system into their businesses to commence selling products or services. Business growth. Through system implementation, users can expand their businesses, unlocking a consistent income stream. Review of marketing system. Pros and cons. Pros: accessibility, suitable for both novices and experienced entrepreneurs. Scalability, capable of generating significant income. Global reach, potential for passive income streams on a worldwide scale. Supportive community, access to extensive support and engaged community. Flexibility, allows users to work according to their preferences. Cons: limited availability, spots during launch specials may be restricted. Information overload, possibility of overwhelming inexperienced users with excessive information. Who would benefit from it? The marketing system is perfect for those aiming to liberate themselves from conventional employment and pursue financial autonomy. Whether you're a novice or seasoned entrepreneur, this system provides avenues for expanding income and reaching global markets. Its intuitive design and robust support make it accessible to individuals committed to establishing a thriving online enterprise. Features of this product. If you don't know any technical skills, don't worry, everything is easy. You don't need any hard work required. You don't need to pay monthly for paid software. You don't need to hire people and pay them monthly fees. No complicated setup. Everything is simple and easy. You just require 3 simple and easy steps. 100% satisfaction. 99.99% uptime guaranteed. Unlimited earning potential. Generates 6 to 7 figure monthly income. Funnel informations. Front end. Marketing system, $17. OT01. Sales funnel system, $47. $37. OT02. Copywriting system, $197. $97. OT03. Email marketing system, $97. $77. OT04. Marketing system reseller, $167. $47. Better for who? Freelancer, agency owner, product owner, social media infuser, local business owner, blogger, physical product seller, digital marketer, course creator, network marketer, affiliate marketer. Here is what you're about to access. Bonus 1. Get access to our world-class support, worth $997. Bonus 2. Get access to our paid Facebook group, worth $297. Bonus 3. Growth hacking and marketing system, worth $4,997. Bonus 4. Coaching Hack Edition I, worth $697. Bonus 5. Advanced Passive Income Hack, worth $1,997. My recommendation of a marketing system. In summary, the marketing system represents a compelling avenue for those aiming to earn income online. Focused on simplicity, scalability, and support, it offers a realistic route to financial independence. Whether you seek to bolster your current earnings or transition to full-time entrepreneurship, the marketing system equips you with the essential tools and resources to thrive in the modern digital environment. Frequently asked questions. What is a marketing system? Are we getting paid with this system? What if I get confused on the way? I'm sold. How do I get started? How long does it take to make money?